Okay, what is up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today I'm ready. I'm about to go to my friend's house. I'm gonna go to Hooters because he invited me to his birthday party. So that's where I'm gonna go, and I'll meet you there. So I am at the place. I am eating, but I'm done. But I'm gonna get more food. So, and my friend might have to shake his butt in public. So if he does, that'll be in a couple of coming up clips. So stay tuned. Yeah.
Come in here, buddy. Come in here.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Husband Riley, and today he's turning 13. I remember that on this day. I remember that on this day. You are having a birthday. You are having a birthday. Say hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Say hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, can you get a picture?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. You want to do it over here or over there? It doesn't matter.
But you what now?
Getting a picture with all the girls? You want to get in it?
No.
Oh, come on.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Don't be scared.
I'm not.
Thank you.
Don't.
Yeah.
Okay.